Okay, so I've had a few people send me a DM on how to make the waterfall this way. It's a little bit different than your typical, I guess, waterfall, but it's not hard. It's not anything crazy. I just do suck at making tutorials, so I'll do my best to make it as clear as possible, and I'll make it fast as possible. But if you do have any questions, just send me a message and I will help you out, no problem. I won't be talking throughout it because you guys don't need to hear me sounding like a chipmunk, but I'll try to make it as clear as possible as I go. Okay, so this is the finished product. I'm still gonna add like a little latch once I have it secured in a journal, or probably actually before I put it in there. I just haven't decided on which. I'm contemplating doing just one of these with like a lace to tie it in. Kind of matches, but yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and DM me. Hopefully you are able to understand how I explained everything and it wasn't too long or too fast for that matter. But yeah, again, DM me if you need any more help with it, and I will be more than happy to help.